In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently make bulk changes to issues in Jira right from the convenience of your Chrome browser. Whether you're managing a small project or handling a larger team assignment, mastering this skill will streamline your workflow and save precious time. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. Head over to the address bar and type in the Jira URL, then proceed to log in with your credentials. If you find yourself juggling multiple Jira accounts, ensure you're logging into the correct one relevant to your current tasks or projects. Once you've logged in, you'll be welcomed by Jira's familiar interface, and that's where the magic begins. Next, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll spot Filters. Hover over this option and select View All Issues. This section becomes your gateway to identifying the specific issues you wish to modify. Make use of the search bar or the various filter options available to zero in on the precise issues that need updates. You might be dealing with anything from overdue tasks to bugs that have been resolved but not yet updated. Once you've got the list of issues before you, it's time to select them. Simply tick the checkboxes beside each issue you intend to edit. It's crucial to be meticulous in your selection to ensure everything necessary is included. By doing so, you prepare for the bulk changes we'll be making shortly. With your issue selected, shift your attention to the More menu. This inconspicuous button houses some powerful functionalities. Click it, and then choose Bulk Change, X Issues, where X represents the number of issues you've currently selected. This option unlocks the ability to perform operations in bulk, sparing you from the tedious task of editing each issue individually. Now, you'll be prompted to choose an operation. From the list provided, opt for Edit Issues. This action takes you to a new interface where you can modify a variety of fields across your selected issues, such as the assignee, priority, status, or labels. The changes you make here will be applied across all selected issues, which is particularly helpful when many issues require the same update. Before your changes are set in motion, you'll navigate to the final checkpoint, the confirmation stage. It is here that you take a moment to review the amendments you've specified. Ensure all the details are accurate, as these will directly impact the issues you've chosen. Once you're confident everything is in place, click Confirm. This crucial step will apply your changes to all the issues you've specified, thus completing the bulk update process. And there you have it. You've just mastered a powerful method to manage your Jira issues efficiently. By following these steps, you'll enhance your